So, you want to dive into the world of decentralized finance, huh? Good call. But let's face it, navigating the crypto jungle can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's where Wave Finance comes in. It's like your friendly neighborhood guide to the DeFi wilderness. But how do you even get started? How do you download the Wave Finance app? Well, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's break it down. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of downloading, let's talk about why Wave Finance is even worth your time. You see, traditional finance is like an old, creaky house. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's often controlled by a small group of people. DeFi, on the other hand, is like a brand new, open-plan apartment. It's fast, it's cheap, and it's controlled by the people who use it. Wave Finance is one of the coolest rooms in this new apartment. It's where you can earn interest on your crypto, trade tokens, and even participate in governance. Okay, enough about why it's awesome. Let's get to the download. First things first, you'll need a smartphone. Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. Wave Finance has you covered. Open up your App Store. On Android, that's the Google Play Store. For iOS users, it's the Apple App Store. Once you're in, start typing Wave Finance. You should see the app icon pop up. It's usually a blue and white wave design. Simple enough, right? Click on the app. You'll see some information about the app, like screenshots and reviews. Take a quick look if you want, but we're ready to dive in. Hit that download or get button. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a few seconds or a few minutes. Don't worry, you can chill or scroll through other apps while you wait. Once the download is finished, it's time to install. Another quick tap, and the app will be ready to use. But wait, there's more. Before you start exploring the world of Wave Finance, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, it's easy. You'll usually need to provide an email address and create a strong password. Keep your password safe, people. This is where your crypto lives. Alright, you've downloaded the app, created an account. You're officially a Wave Finance user. But remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of DeFi to explore. You can start by learning about the different features, checking out the available tokens, or maybe even staking some of your crypto to earn rewards. The beauty of DeFi is that you're in control. Wave Finance is just one tool in your crypto toolbox. So, explore, learn, and most importantly, have fun. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.